So what happened? Okay, so Benoit is there? Benoit?
Yes, sir.
So what I told you na yesterday, we'll come to that part. वो last में she tells her friend about this, but last में बोलती. Okay, so now let's see. Now Madam Losel, okay, wait, we came little down. नीचे आ गए हम लोग. Okay. From now on, Madam Losel knew that the horrible life of the very poor, but she played the part heroically. The dreadful depth must be put. Now obviously वो उसके husband के पास पूरा पैसा था कि उतना नहीं, उसने लोन लिया. तो लोन लिया तो उसको चुकाना पड़ा. तो the husband had to work he had to work double of what he was working to pay the debt. Okay, they dismissed their maid, they changed their lodging, they rented a garret under. तो उसने वो लोग ने जो घर था वो घर बेच दिया वो लोग ने. Now they were staying in a rental place. Okay, क्यों? क्योंकि वो लोगों को वो पैसा चुकाना था. She came to know the drudgery of housework. Now drudgery मतलब cruel, मतलब हम लोग देखते हैं ना अपनी मम्मी कितने काम करते हैं. मतलब we see our mom doing work in the house, but जितना काम हमारी मम्मी करते हम लोग कर पाए कभी जिंदगी में? मैं तो नहीं कर पाता. Okay, they do a lot of work. So yeah, sorry, I can't even pronounce the word. Drudgery means it's cruelty of the work. Okay, she washed the dishes, then dirty linen. She carried the garbage down to the street every morning and carried up the water, stopping at each landing to catch her breath and rest like a commoner. She had to bargain at the market, quarrel at the face insults over a miserable soul. Okay, can't see the screen. Okay, Nandini, just give me 1 second. I'll share again. Can everyone see the screen now? Just give it a minute. It will load. Can everyone see the screen now? Okay. Okay. Each month they had to pay some loan, renew others, get more time. Her husband worked extra every evening doing accounts for a tradesman and often late into the night. She sat copying a manuscript at 5 sols a page. 5 sols मतलब 5 पैसा. ठीक है? So now this husband and wife they had to work double what they are working. Okay? वो लोगों को किसी के घर में काम करना पड़ता था. They had to work every day and night to pay those bills. Yes, Krishnakant, do you have a doubt?
Yes, sir. Sir, drudgery means maid, no?
No. She came to know the drudgery. Drudgery means cruelty of housework. मतलब जितना मेहनत लगता है ना घर का काम करने को, तो वो उसको मालूम पड़ा. Because इसके पहले she never did the housework. She always had a maid to do. उसके काम वाली बाई थी, पर जैसे उसको काम वाली बाई को निकालना पड़ा because she didn't have that much money. तो जैसे उसने घर का काम करना चालू किया, उसको समझ में आया कितना मेहनत लगता है काम करने. Okay. So now her husband and her, they lived this life for almost 10 years. Okay, it took them 10 years to pay the bills. Yes, Krishnakant. Yes, Krishnakant, do you have a doubt?
Sir, what is meso? S-O-U?
It's a soul. उधर spelling mistake दिया है. Insults or every miserable soul. Soul मतलब
Okay.
soul. Okay. Each month they had to pay some loan. This life lasted for over 10 years, means 10 years. At the end of 10 years, they had paid off everything, even the India. मतलब ये loan pay करने को उनको कितना साल लगा? 10 साल of misery. Okay, ये अगर ये जो wife थी, अगर वो ये नहीं लेती थी, क्या मतलब अगर वो जो necklace है, she would not borrow it only. तो ये सब कभी होता क्या उनके साथ? No. ठीक है, तो just because of that one thing उनका जिंदगी का 10 साल बर्बाद हो गया. Madam Losel looked old now. Often she brooded over the past. Brooded matlab she thought over the past. Okay, what would have happened if she had not lost the necklace? How strange life is. How fickle. Fickle matlab कितना जल्दी बदल सकता है अपना जिंदगी. How little is needed for one to be ruined or saved. One Sunday, as she was walking in the Champs Aisle, suddenly, Champs Aisle is a place where you go for a walk. Suddenly, she saw Madame Froissart. Still young, still beautiful, still charming. Madame Froissart felt emotional. Should she speak to her? Yes, of course. And now that she had paid, she would tell her all why not. So, 10 साल बाद now she had paid all her money. अभी उसका she was living the normal life. But उसका जो जिंदगी था वो खत्म हो चुका. Because 10 साल तक वो इतना बुरी तरीके से जी रहे थे. Because she had to pay the money back. After 10 years, she was walking in the park where she seen a rich friend. और वो रिच फ्रेंड अमीर एकदम मस्त दिख रही थी क्योंकि शी वाज एकदम खुश. ओके, तो अभी व्हाट डिड मैडम लोसेल कि अभी मैं जाके उससे बात कर सकती है और मैं उसको सच बता सकती है कि मेरे हाथ से उसका जो नेकलेस था वो घूम गया था। क्यों सच बता सकती, क्योंकि अब उसने उसको नेकलेस वापस दे दिया और जो पैसा था वो भी पे कर लिया। सो नाउ शी कैन टेल हर द ट्रूथ. ओके. No, okay. The other astonished to be addressed of family, but this common woman did not recognize her. So her friend did not even recognize her. वो इतनी बदल चुकी थी. She looked so different that उसकी जो rich friend थी वो उसको पहचान भी नहीं पा रही थी. But madam, I don't know. You must have had a mistake. No, I am Madam Loisel. तो she told, अरे मैं तेरी दोस्त है Madam Loisel. Her friend uttered a cry. Oh, my poor Matilde. How you have changed. तो उसने बोला, अरे तू कितनी बदल गई है रे, ऐसे कैसे दिखने लगी तू इतनी बुड्ढी जैसे. ठीक है. Yes, I have some hard times since I last saw you, and many miseries. Miseries मतलब very difficult times in our life, and all this because of you. Yes, Krishnakant.
Sir, what is meant by astonished? And
Astonished.
pronunciation also.
Astonished. It's pronounced as astonished. Astonished means shocked. Okay, because what happened when Madam Loisel went to meet her friend that time, the friend was astonished because she never expected to see her friend in such a bad condition. She didn't even recognize. उसको पहचान भी नहीं पा रही थी. So she was astonished. Astonished means shocked. Okay. You at her. Yes, I have changed, and this is all because of you. So what Madam Loisel said, मेरा जिंदगी में जो भी हालत हुआ है वो सब तेरी वजह से हुआ. So अभी what the rich friend said, अरे मैंने क्या किया तेरे को? Okay, she asked, what did I do to you? You remember that diamond necklace you had lent to me? तो उसने पूछा, मैडम लोसन ने उसके फ्रेंड को पूछा, यू रिमेम्बर द डायमंड नेकलेस व्हिच आई गेव यू? तो उसके बेस्ट फ्रेंड ने बोला यस. तो व्हाट मैडम लोसन सेड, आई हैड लॉस्ट इट. मैंने उसको घुमा दिया था. तो व्हाट द रिच फ्रेंड डिड, अरे तूने घुमा दिया मतलब तूने तो मुझे वापस दे दिया था ना वो, तो इसका मतलब क्यों तूने घुमा दिया? यस कृष्णा का, यू हैव अ डाउट?
No, sir, वो पहले का ही था.
अच्छा ओके. नो. तो उसके फ्रेश फ्रेंड ने पूछा तूने घुमा दिया मतलब तूने तो मुझे वापस कर दिया था ना. तो what Madam Loisel said, I had bought back another exactly like it, and it has taken us 10 years to pay for it. It wasn't easy for us. We had very little, but at last it is over, and I am very glad. So what Madam Loisel said, अरे जो हम लोग ने तुझे वापस दिया था वो हम लोग ने एक नया खरीद के दिया था और मुझे 10 साल लगा था. 10 साल लगा उसको वो लोन को वापस चुकाने में. Madam Froshier was stunned. Stunned मतलब she was very shocked. You say that you bought a diamond necklace to replace mine. मतलब तूने एक नया diamond necklace लाया था मेरे लिए. तो Madam Loisel was, yes, you didn't notice they were very similar. And then she smiled with proud and innocent pleasure. Madam Froshier deeply moved, took both of her hands. Oh my poor Matilde, mine was an imitation. It was worth 500 francs at the most. तो उसने बोला अरे मेरी दोस्त, मैंने जो तुझे मतलब बोरो करने दिया था वो तो नकली डायमंड नेकलेस था. वो तो 500 रुपए का था और तूने मेरे को 30 लाख का नेकलेस खरीद के दिया. तो दिस वाज द स्टूपिडिटी. यस कृष्णकांत, यू हैव अ डाउट?
Sir, imitation means.
Imitation मतलब acting. Like if I talk like you means I'm imitating you. Like see ना, we try to imitate our favorite actors. हम लोग उनकी तरह ड्रेस करते हैं, हम लोग उनकी तरह बोलते हैं. That is called as imitating. Okay. So has everyone understood this chapter? It's a very easy chapter. सबको समझा the chapter?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Sir, misery means.
Misery means sad time. चालू रहता है, that's called as a misery. Okay. So before we are ending, can someone tell me what is the moral of the story? What moral of the story has?
Sir, we should not be greedy. जो भी है उसमें खुश रहो.
बराबर, absolutely correct. What else?
We should give value of
झूठ नहीं
what
बोलने
we have.
Very good. We should give value of the things we have. झूठ नहीं बोलेगा. Very good. अगर उसको पहले ही जाके सच बोलती थी तो उसको मालूम रहता था कि 30 लाख का नहीं 500 रुपए का, तो उसका इतना पैसा बच जाता था. Yes, yeah, you were saying another one. Yes.
Be careful when we are using any other.
Yes, always. Absolutely correct. Be careful when we are using other people's things. हाँ Prince, बोल.
Sir, tell the truth when you do the
Yes.
mistake.
Very good. Tell the truth when you do mistake. Very good. Okay. So the next again, who said to whom? I touched it in the hall at the ministry. Who said to whom this? This is when after the necklace was lost. When the husband asked the wife, when was the last time you seen the necklace? So the wife said, I had touched the necklace the last in the hall at the ministry. So who said it to whom?
Matilda said to her
husband. Oh, very good. It will give us some time to look some more. Who said to whom this? This the husband said to Matilda after when he told Matilda to write to a friend that the necklace has been broken and we need time to mend it. So who said to whom this?
Matilda to her friend.
Matilda to a friend. Very good. No. This husband to Matilda. Husband told Matilda. Okay. Next. I might have needed it. Who said to whom?
So,
Matilda
Her
told her
friend
friend.
said told to her Matilda.
Yes. Her friend told to Matilda. You must have made a mistake. Who said it to whom?
सर वो फ्रेंड ने बोला
Barabar.
Madam,
Okay. Well, I lost it. Who said to whom?
Matilda to her friend.
Right. Mine was an imitation. Okay, Krishna Kant, you in this chapter, na, in this imitation मतलब नकली. Okay, mine was an imitation मतलब मेरा जो था नकली था पर same असली ऐसा दिखता था. So this is called as imitation. Okay.
Copy.
Basically copy, absolutely a copy, like एकदम पिक्चर कॉपी, लाइक एकदम सेम टू सेम दिख रहा है. लाइक बोलते हैं ना अपना कल्याण के स्टेशन पे अपने को पूमा का बैग मिलता है, पर उधर पूमा की जगह पोमा लिखा रहता है POM में. So that is called first copy. So that is an imitation of the original. Okay, mine was an imitation. Who said to whom?
Friend said to Matilda. Friend said to Matilda.
Very okay. Now write what do you think. This is all this is all on your opinion. So,
Sir.
so this yes Krishna.
सर आई एम नॉट एबल टू राइट नो.
What?
Sir, I am not able to write cause I am there in my native place now.
No worries. You can complete your notes whenever you come back. Okay. Now the next. So this write what you think is on your opinion. So I'm leaving this part for you all, but I will be checking this. Okay. Don't think that तुम लोग का answers check नहीं कर रहा. I will be checking this. Okay. Discuss the following and write about each in your 5 to 6 lines. What would you do if something like this happens? So, अगर तुम लोग के आज से तुम लोग का दोस्त का कुछ घूम गया तो तुम लोग क्या करते थे?
सच बोलते थे.
What would you do?
सच बोलते हैं.
ठीक है. What opinion do you form about Matilda's husband? मतलब उस Matilda के husband के बारे में तुम लोग क्या सोचते हो?
He was good person.
वो हार्ड वर्क
He was very good. He absolutely. बराबर. He was a very kind-hearted. Okay. Which events in the story, part 1 and part 2, changed Matilda's life? What events changed her life?
When she lost her
Necklace
friend's
woman.
necklace.
बराबर. Very good. Okay. The sixth is already given. Is just past, present, and tense. Okay. So the word is give. If you add s in it, it comes give. What is give ka past tense? Give. What is give ka present tense? Giving. What is give ka past? Okay. Give ka past
Given.
participle is given. Okay. So this is already stated for also. I don't need to solve this. Only upar ka whatever we have discussed now. This English workshop 1, 2 from pairs. Okay. These are all questions which you all have to write in your own opinion. Okay. So you all can attempt this. If you all have any doubts, you all can ask me. And I want you all to write even the meanings. Okay. On the side, there are meanings given over here. Like you can see luminous, so, garret, brooded. All these meanings also I want you all to
Sir.
write in your book. Yes.
सर एक बार नीचे. हेलो सर.
हाँ बोल ना.
सर आपने बोला था कि एल नहीं है मतलब सोल है उसमें बस एल
वो
गलती से
इधर
नहीं लिखा है पर साइड में
नहीं,
मीनिंग है ना.
वो इधर वाला इधर है वो 5 सोज इधर है.
नो सर मैं ऊपर का ही बोला था मिजरेबल सो.
हाँ नहीं वो मिजरेबल सोल है. ये 5 सोज इधर है. See what this so which you're talking now French coin is this so 5 souls. Understood? This I ये पिछले साल भी सीखा था. मेरे को सेम मिस्टेक हुआ था. But for over every miserable soul and this is 5 souls is over here. Okay.
Means both are
Understood?
अलग. It is spelling mistake.
Yeah. This souls means French coins of low value, and this is the meaning is given over. The word is given over here. 5 souls. Okay. Any other doubt, guys? Any questions in this?
no, sir.
Okay.
सर पार्ट
So-
1 और पार्ट 2 दोनों भी लिखना है.
हाँ पार्ट 1 कल लिखा था ना. जिसने कल पार्ट 1 नहीं लिखा उसको दोनों लिखने का. जिसने पार्ट 1 लिख दिया just they just have to write the part 2 and okay. Now see we have finished life synopsis Have you ever seen the necklace? This जो बीच में क्या? This is just normal. इसमें
Sir,
verb form है. Okay, yes, Krishna का.
sir, have you ever seen के notes नहीं दिए ना आपने?
दिए ना? अरे, we have done it. We have not done. Have you ever seen?
हाँ सर दिए
Not done.
I have done all the notes in class, and I have
Yesterday.
asked you all to do it. I have asked you all to do it in the class. I have asked you to do it as homework. Have I not done it, other guys? Other students?
Sir, yesterday my net issue there, no, that's why I'm not attending half on
Acha,
class.
no.
I messaged you.
No worries. So you can
Sir.
check it out on the group. Everyone has sent also. Yes, Krishna.
Sir, I'm synopsis, that lesson is there 1.2, that notes you don't give, no?
Acha, that I'll do tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll
And
I'll
life
do a
also, you
revision.
tell.
Yes,
No
I'll do
need.
that. So tomorrow I'll do the whole revision. One second, I'm speaking. No? Tomorrow I'll do the whole revision of 1.1, 1.2, and I'll give you all the notes as well. So all the new students who are not there for the 1.1, 1.2 can join in tomorrow. They'll also learn, and बाकी सबका revision भी हो जाएगा. Plus you will get the
Sir.
notes as well. Okay? Yes.
Sir, मतलब आपने बस 1.3 का ही notes दिया है ना?
1.3 and 1.5. 1.3 का भी notes हो गया और आज 1.5 का भी notes हो गया. Okay.
हाँ, okay.
So I have discussed all the notes in the class. लिखने का काम तुम लोग का है. So you all have to write it and come tomorrow. I will teach 1.1 and 1.2 again, and I will give दोनों का notes. So वो भी तुम लोग का लिख. I'll discuss the notes in the class. You all will have to write it in your book. Is this clear for everyone? Everyone,
Yes,
is it
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yesterday everyone had written everyone had written इसका notes